Hello and welcome to BMWBlog. Today I'm visiting the WeatherTech Factory Store in Bolingbrook, Illinois. Pat Womack, the WeatherTech president, is our host, going to give us an overview of the company, their products, and also talk about the customer experience at the store. How would you describe WeatherTech in just a few words?
In a few words, I think American made is number one, innovative, and we have a premium product. So I think these are three terms that really tell us about what the company really is.
Is there something special, different about the customer experience inside the store?
Health and safety is our number one concern, first of all, so following all the guidelines by the local state. We have a barista bar here. We're obviously pet friendly with some of our pet friendly products, so we allow pets in, but mostly it's about the experience and making sure that it is a premium experience. Just to the west of us over here, we have a heated and lighted tent. All the products can be pre-ordered. We set them aside, just drive up, give them your name, orders there, and we just want to give customers options. They tell us what they want to do, and we want to make sure that we can offer that.
Now, let's shift towards the BMW Drivers. So what would be the must-have products in a BMW car?
Well, obviously floor liners are going to be the number one. Laser measured, custom fit. You can see it looks like it's part of the car. That's our number one seller. And a bump step, if you have an X5 with a hitch on it, is key. Obviously, we want to protect the bumper. We offer seat protectors, door protectors. So this is something that could be added to the car, thrown in the washing machine after the road trip, after you get all the French fries and ketchup off the seats, and protect the nice interior. Cup phone you can see inside the car, and you're the first one to get the exclusive on the new 8-ounce Purell holder that goes in the door pocket. That has just been made hot off the press as of late last night, so that'll be soon coming to market. You can see everything is really automotive focused, safety focused. The face shields you and I are wearing, actually, we've just started producing.
Pat, so who do we have here?
Well, this is Gus. Gus does not come with the product, unfortunately. I'm sure everybody would like one. But we just want to show what the cargo liner, how it fits in the back. This is a Ford, obviously, not a BMW, but protects from the dog hair and everything like that, as well as the bumper protector when you're loading in and out of things. We obviously want to protect the paint of the car. Mr. McNeil, the founder and CEO of the company, is very, very proud of American manufacturing and hiring American workers, and that is really the backbone of all of our advertising and what we do. Floor liner, everything we're looking here is made and produced within blocks of this location.
So a little bit earlier, Pat mentioned the customer experience at the WeatherTech Factory Store. One of the things he talked about was curbside pickup. It's an option that you have available today if you live in the area, and you can basically go online, you pick your BMW, you pick the colors that you want, the products, you place the order, and then you can come here to their facility and do a curbside pickup. But to learn more about the curbside pickup, I have Steve with me here from WeatherTech. And Steve, can you tell me about the process a little bit?
Sure. So once you pull up to our curbside service, we'll ask for ID and credit card. That way we can verify who's picking up the order. We'll run inside, get it, you stay inside your car, and as soon as we run it out to you, we just ask, would you like it in the trunk, back seat, whatever's convenient for you.
So that's the tour for today. We've had a chance to visit a WeatherTech Factory Store. We've also talked to Pat Womack, the president of WeatherTech. We've mentioned some of the products that they make. We've also talked about BMWs and of course some of the products that you can order for your BMW. We've even looked at the curbside pickup experience. And as always, we thank you for watching and see you soon.